Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaway. We have an unboxing and a spoiler for you in today's giveaway. This is the Fab Fit Fun Winter Box. Let's set this down. So we are unboxing it and giving away one of the items to one of you. I don't even know which one yet because it was such a long time ago that I picked the items for this box. I want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. There are a lot of giveaways going on this month. I will just say that. I'm filming a bunch of them today and I still have probably 3 or 4 more still to go. So make sure that you are on the lookout for all those because I want you guys to have as many chances to win as possible. One of the things that we're giving away every month, I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of December. It is the Trend Beauty Glam Babe palette. And it kind of looks like this. This is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below for this link to this video. It has a giveaway in it. There is a Google form on it. You're going to need to know the secret word that's in that video and then fill out that Google form. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for this Fab Fit Fun giveaway. Now, as far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Ciate London Spice palette. And I kind of did this kind of quad going on right there. So for those of you guys that don't know, FabFitFun is a subscription box. It is a seasonal subscription. It is lifestyle. It is beauty. It is makeup. It is skincare. It's hair care. It's like kitchen items. It's fitness items, which I'm starting to think about the New Year's resolutions. Let me know if you guys have started thinking about that too in the comments down below. It's $59.99 a quarter. I've always gone well over, I think over $200 to $300 in my seasonal box. My box this quarter does total $342. I do have a code for FabFitFun if you're interested in checking them out. I'll leave that in the description box down below. It's just there for your convenience. If you do use it, I thank you. So let's dive in, see what's in here, see what we're giving away to one of you. So they always include a fun little magazine. I need to take my mystery bundle out of here because I do a mystery unboxing as well. Or I get the mystery bundle and we give away one of those items in there as well. So be on the lookout. That'll be up in, I think, like 2 days or something. So be on the lookout for that one. There's no cards this time. Most of the time there's like stickers or like HelloFresh partner cards, all sorts of different partner cards, but there isn't any in my box this time. I did want to let you guys know that I do have some starter boxes to give away for FabFitFun. Now, how those work, FabFitFun only ships to the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom at this time. If you've never signed up for FabFitFun or you've never gotten a starter box before and are interested in one, there's over a $75 value. All you have to do is pay for shipping. You give me your name and your email address. I send that off to FabFitFun. FabFitFun sends you an email, say, hey, Christina recommended you to get a starter box. And basically you sign up for the service through that link, but you do have 21 days to cancel it and still get your starter box. But I think FabFitFun is the oldest subscription box that I've had. I've had it for a long time. I really, really enjoy it. So let me know if that's what you guys would like as well. So the first thing in here, I'm so excited. I think I know what I'm doing with this. I think this is going to be a present from my mom for Christmas. Shh. This is Coach Signature C-Stud earring set. It does retail for $95. I almost kept this for myself because the C not only represents Coach, but my name's Christina, so you know. I didn't know if I was like too old for monogrammed earrings. Anyway. Kind of looks like this. My mom loves everything Coach. So here is what they look like. Obviously just the weight of it. The C's are kind of hanging down, but on your ear, if you hold it tight, they'll be fine. So this is, you can never have too many earrings, right? These signature stud earrings from Coach are stunning all day and all night and everything in between. Additional info, it does include 2 sets of earrings. So we have the little sparkly guys right here. And we have the C's. And right here, materials brass with glass crystal stone, or as we say in Basque, it's AMA, A-M-A. That's kind of one of the reasons why I have, if you notice my name on everything is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, so that's mom. So my son's friends would call me Mom B, because obviously they have their own moms, but I'm just Mom B because my last name starts with a B. So Basque and mom is Ama, so I was Ama B. When I saw that one of my favorite eye creams was a choice item, I had to get it. You guys, I've absolutely loved everything I've tried from this brand. It is Paragon MD. It's a Cold Plasma Plus Eye Advanced Cream. This guy alone retails for $110. Looks like that. So it does say, brighten up tired eyes with this eye cream. The hydrating treatment features an advanced formula to deliver moisture and target the feel and appearance of dark circles, puffiness, crow's feet, starting to get those, and fine lines and loss of firmness. So additional info. Some of the key ingredients are vitamin C ester for supercharged brightening and smoothing, omega 3, 6, and 9 for essential moisture barrier protection, copper tryptide for refreshed and rejuvenated under the eyes. It's good for dark circles, puffiness, crow's feet, fine lines, and loss of firmness. It is 0.5 ounces. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free, and sulfate-free. I haven't tried this lip mask and I've always wanted to. This is the Laneige Lip Treatment Balm. It does retail for $25. Come on. The internet's favorite lip treatment balm form. This incredible formula is bouncy, dewy, hydrating, and juicy for the lips that feel equally soft and nourished. It's the only balm that you'll ever need. It's good for all skin types. It has coconut oil. That's probably why I haven't tried it. It's the coconut oil. It's 0.35 of an ounce. Oh, isn't he cute? Kind of looks like that. Here is the Truff Love Truffle Hair Mask. It does retail for $35. Excuse me, it does retail for $30. With delicious spun sugar scent and black truffle beads, the burst with the vitamins and antioxidants at the touch. This mask is an experience for the senses. Black truffle micro capsules promote strong, healthy hair and growth. Additional info, good for all hair types. Key ingredients are black truffle extract, shea butter, and keratin. It's 4.23 ounces and cruelty-free. I do hair masks like once a week because my hair is so dry. From Pixie Beauty is a retinol tonic for $15. $15 for retinol? That's pretty good. So this potent youth-preserving tonic features a unique release retinol to help rejuvenate the skin for natural glow. Powerful antioxidants and botanicals replenish the skin for smoother, softer appearances while soothing sensitive skin. So it is good for mature skin. Getting kind of there. I have a big birthday coming up next year. Big birthday. Let's say which one. It does end in 0. It is 3.4 ounces. It's cruelty-free, and I love that Pixie is female-founded. From Dr. Brandt is a skincare collagen serum. Does retail for $60. And we know how much you love Dr. Brandt skincare, so they're super excited to bring you this collagen serum. It's infused with a blend of amino acids to help preserve collagen levels for glowing skin. The peptide-rich formula helps increase the skin's resilience over time. It is good for all skin types. It is 1 ounce. I've just started doing like collagen in my tea in the morning, and I really like that so far. It was fun. It has nothing to do with this. It's the Vital Proteins Beauty one, and it has like a lavender in it, so it kind of like calms me down, so I'm not feeling all anxious like, A lot of times, you know, you wake up in the morning and you have this huge long list to do and you're just like feeling overwhelmed. It helps me not feel so overwhelmed, I guess. Anyway, can't wait to try this one. And finally, the last thing in here is from ColourPop. It is a lippy stick. It does retail for $7. So define or overline your lips with this long, weary, creamy pencil for the perfect pout. It creates the cleanest lines and prevents the feathering while being super pigmented to deliver the boldest high impact color. It's 0.03 ounces and apply to your lippy stick and you're good to go. It is in the shade Nice Things. There's the color on it. I like the box a lot. I mean, there's some things in here that I absolutely love. Actually, most of it I really, really love. It's one of my favorite boxes. I do wish that they put kind of some more makeup items. I would love some more eyeshadow palettes, especially high-end eyeshadow palettes. That's just my one thing. I'm an eyeshadow palette girl. Eye girl. That's what I really like. Let's give away that lippy stick. I just have so many and I'd rather give it to one of you. Secret word is December. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. Do make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify yes you are subscribed to the channel, and also put on it that secret word. Now only fill out the form once, but you can get bonus entries. So you fill out the form once, there's a spot on there to mark if you did do the bonus entries. Only mark if you did do them. If you do, because I do check. So your 4 ways to get bonus entries is number 1, go follow me on Instagram. That's BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you follow me on Twitter. It's that same BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you follow me on TikTok, same name as this channel, Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share the video. It really means a lot to me when you share it with your family and friends and on your socials. I'm trying really, really hard here to grow the channel. Like I said, I have some really big goals ahead. I got to get those watch time minutes up, so if you can help me out, that would be great. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day, and you must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So this giveaway go through January 6th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. Then on January 11th, what I'll do is I'll take from all the giveaways that are ending this month, we will announce them all on the 11th. So I'll take the Google Forms, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing. On the bonus entries, put all first name, first initial, last names into the computer. The computer spins it around, the computer picks. I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaways are over, I do go ahead and delete all, and I mail out the prizes. I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very, very important to me. I don't sell your information. I don't share your information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. So if you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel. When you do, YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you watching it. If not, hopefully we will see you soon. I hope that you have a beautiful day and have a great rest of your day, and I will see you soon, you guys. Take care of yourselves. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye. Woo!